Victoria's Secret, don't let us down. You were trying to make it from the closet to our makeup. Hey beautiful people, thank you so much for tuning back into Real Divine. Today we will be reviewing Victoria's Secret's Cream Shimmer Shadow Duo. If you are new here, please press that subscribe button before we get into this. My channel is all about makeup, skincare, and curly hair, and I will be posting 2 to 3 times a week. If you are a subscriber that is back, I love you. Thank you for coming back. Give you all the hugs. Come in. Don't hold back. Thank you. Alright, so now let's get into the video. Right, so these retail for $14 each, and they come in 2 colors. You have the gold and the pink. Gold is pinkish. Like on the website, it looked pink, but here it looks like a lighter gold, but most likely maybe it will apply pink. We shall see. But this one is called Guilty and Gorgeous. And then we have the pink and purple that is called Wild and Hypnotic. All right, so now I'm just going to open this. This one's Guilty and Gorgeous. Get out the box. That would be great. Finally seeing what was holding me back. So now we have them. Okay, so now you get to see which one is which. The gold is Guilty and the pinkish one is Gorgeous. So now we're gonna swatch them both. I'm excited. I hope it's well pigmented. So those are the swatches for Guilty and Gorgeous. I think they look nice. They're pretty creamy. Not bad. And the gold is like really deep too. We're gonna head on to Wild and Hypnotic. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. So the purple is Hypnotic and the pink is Wild. Now we're gonna go ahead and swatch this. So like the pink and the purple is a bit of a letdown because I was hoping that it wouldn't be like super transparent and just like the glitter in there. I was hoping that it would be pigmented like it looked on the website. But nope, it said buildable, so we're gonna build it up. I'm just gonna build it up to the amount that I like. So I'm gonna try the pink and the purple anyways, even though it was a letdown. So I'm gonna go in. It said buildable. Guys, please. Victoria's Secret, don't let us down. You were trying to make it from the closet to our makeup collections, like, don't let us down. Go on with another coat of purple real quick, you guys. I wanted to use the pink as a liner, but I think I'm actually gonna go up with the pink, especially since it's so transparent. There's pink up there, you guys. Don't know if you see it. Like, you guys, look, I just put it on. Look at these gaps. This ain't it. This isn't working. That thing isn't creasing a lot. Take my advice, don't get it. Please don't. I see this more as like playful makeup, like something you give to a niece, a daughter. And it's not my faves. Okay, so like, if you're making this your first cream shimmers, this isn't a good introduction. I feel like the Stella is way better. I just wasted money. This was a fail in 2019. They should have never let it out of the office. That's all I gotta say. So hope I feel because I love Victoria's Secret and pink, but no, like, for your sake, don't get it. Don't get it. Thank you guys for tuning in to Real Divine. I hope you guys got something out of this review, as in, I really don't want to get this, even though I got this. Have a blessed, beautiful day, because you guys are all beautiful people.